Welcome to our new video. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of the simple joys that surround us. This guided meditation aims to help you reconnect with a sense of gratitude, allowing you to appreciate the beauty and abundance in your life. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin this transformative journey together. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether you choose to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of each inhale and exhale, allowing your body to relax and your mind to calm. As we embark on this journey of gratitude, let's bring our focus to the present moment. Release any worries or distractions, and allow yourself to fully immerse in the beauty of the now. In this moment, you are safe, supported, and deserving of the gift of gratitude. Visualize a warm, soft light emanating from your heart center. This light represents your gratitude, radiating its gentle warmth throughout your entire being. With each breath, let this light grow brighter, filling you with a profound sense of appreciation. Now, let's reflect on the many blessings in your life. Bring to mind 3 things you are grateful for. They can be simple or profound, material or intangible. Feel the emotions associated with these blessings, allowing gratitude to expand within you. As we continue this meditation, let your awareness shift to the sensations within your body. Scan through your body and notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, release any negativity or tension, allowing gratitude to permeate every cell of your being. In this moment of stillness, let's express gratitude for the people who have touched our lives. Bring to mind someone you appreciate deeply, someone who has supported you or shown you kindness. Feel the warmth of gratitude fill your heart as you silently send them your thanks. Now, let your mind expand to encompass the vastness of the universe. Reflect on the interconnectedness of all beings and the countless wonders of creation. Feel a deep sense of awe and gratitude for the gift of life itself and the infinite possibilities it holds. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to reaffirm your commitment to cultivating gratitude in your everyday life. Remember that gratitude is a practice, and like any skill, it can be strengthened with regular nurturing. Carry this sense of appreciation with you as you re-enter the world, allowing it to guide your actions and interactions. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey of cultivating gratitude and appreciating life. We hope that this guided meditation has brought you a sense of peace and renewed appreciation for the blessings in your life. Before you go, we kindly ask for your support. If you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more inspiring content. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts and experiences with gratitude.